Publishing is a multifaceted industry with a wide range of roles requiring varied skill sets, from editorial and production to sales and marketing, and from finance to tech. Here's a short introduction to each of the different departments that make up most publishing houses, from colleagues across Bloomsbury Publishing.
The editorial team is the first port of call for acquiring books for the company to publish. Editorial colleagues are in touch with literary agents, authors, making connections, going to conferences, hearing pitches, and then choosing which books to take on for their lists. They then work closely with the author to edit their manuscript and get it ready for publication. The editorial team liaise with many departments, from design to sales, marketing, production, to come up with cover concepts, book jackets, descriptions, all that suit the book and position it in the right way for customers.
The production team takes books from manuscript to finished product in printed or digital form. We are responsible for ensuring that all books are produced on schedule and to budget and are of an appropriate quality. Increasingly, we are focusing on sustainability and trying to produce books in the most planet-friendly way possible.
The marketing team is responsible for planning campaigns to promote our books through traditional print media, digital advertising, and within bookstores. It also includes online marketing like email and social media activity. The publicity team promotes books and authors by securing media coverage and organising events, including author tours, book signings, and readings. On the academic publishing side, bespoke email newsletters and academic conference attendance are key to the M&P strategy.
The UK sales teams work closely with retailers and partners to secure sales and the highest possible consumer visibility for all our published titles in their print, digital and audio formats. We liaise with both high street shops and online stores to make sure they're selling our books and putting them pride of place on their shop floors and homepages. We also negotiate sales promotions and special editions for booksellers.
The export department is responsible for selling our books in English across the globe. We sell into over 100 countries, from Australia to Azerbaijan, and if you've seen a book in English at an international airport, that's us. The rights department handles the sale of translation rights for those titles into other languages. We regularly make trips abroad to meet customers and attend big events like the London Book Fair, Frankfurt Book Fair and Bologna Children's Book Fair to negotiate deals.
The sustainability team work to embed sustainable principles into the way the company operates, commissions and produces books and digital resources. Working with our suppliers, we aim to reduce the company's emissions both in our operations and across our supply chain, in line with our science-based targets. We also work to influence, educate and support colleagues to make more sustainable decisions and to make our products more circular.
The communications team is responsible for promoting company-wide news and amplifying Bloomsbury's corporate successes in the media. We communicate internally with staff and run both internal and external events. We support the company's corporate social responsibility by running charity partnerships and outreach projects, working to improve diversity and inclusion and reduce our carbon footprint.
Attracting talented people from all backgrounds enriches the publishing industry and everyone's experience at work. The Diversity, Equity and Inclusion team supports this work and makes sure these principles are at the core of everything that we do. We support the company's staff networks as well as initiatives and partnerships across people and publishing that are working to make the company and our wider industry a more inclusive place to be.
Support services are vital to keep publishing houses up and running. This includes human resources, finance, technology, and facilities. Human resources is responsible for the people across the businesses and making sure all staff get the support and training they need. All things numbers are handled by the finance team, and the technology team manage the tech platforms and infrastructures that support the company's work. The facilities office is responsible for the vital services that keep offices running day to day.
We hope this film has given you good insight into the departments and roles available in publishing.